you want me to tell you something? Wait a minute.
Sure.
Oh, look who's here.
Hi, Dad.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Say hi to Dad. Turn around.
How do you do? How do you do?
Howdy, Mom.
Where's your camera, Stella?
Oh.
Big camera, boy. Oh, I didn't want to hurt it.
Hi.
Is that what they were there in Boston?
He's filming you.
Is that what they were in Boston?
Yep. How are you today?
What a day to have a Thanksgiving Day, isn't it?
Oh, it's all right.
Why could they be snowing? Get it over with.
They're not dressed as clothes there.
Okay, I got you now. Come on, photographer. Give her a boost. Anybody home? Anybody home? There we are.
Are you guys hungry?
What a busy day. Did you hire this day here?
Yeah.
I'll do my keys. Yoo-hoo!
Boy, you're looking spiffy.
Am I? Well, I'll take off my shoes and my coat. My feet in my pocket here. That pie there, that's that pecan pie. I put it up on the
Peacock. Sugar.
Hey, don't put the cook in there. Take a picture of the cook in there, Art. You don't want to do a lot of work.
Turn light on.
I can't wait to have company.
Hello, everybody.
Somebody told me you was going to stay in Boston.
This is going to be one of our nicest Thanksgiving days because this is the first Thanksgiving that we've had a child come home from college. So Anna's home from college
Yeah, they called and they go,
this Thanksgiving, and it feels really nice.
I like Boston.
Boston's
I was in
great.
the Army down there in Massachusetts, you know.
I know.
Fort Devon's down there. It's a beautiful camp out there.
You told me.
Yeah.
What time did you wake up?
Red as stare.
We got up on
Let's see them steps. Holy cow, what Lucy Lucy.
Your dress is so pretty. Your hair is long.
Yoo-hoo!
dress.
Your hair's longer,
That's
isn't
my
it?
new hairdo.
I love it. Oh.
Now,
My
I
grandma
was-
and my grandpa.
Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo!
Grandma and Grandpa Risavy.
That's all right.
Give me a kiss.
Oh, boy, what a
Now
time.
you give her a kiss.
Oh, oh, boy.
Now let me see your new
Yeah.
dress.
Look what we got over here.
My mommy.
Oh, that is lovely.
Isn't it
on
pretty?
you. And your hairdo, your new hairdo.
I like it, don't you?
Uh-huh. You look real pretty.
You know what's so
Shoved up. What does that do?
I left my necktie
It's on
home.
now.
I left my necktie at home.
Ah, another.
Hey, how you doing, old kid? You got a cold. I don't want to get no cold.
Oh yeah, get
Hi,
it.
Dad.
Hello there. Oh,
Let me take it.
my,
Let me take it
my.
around.
No, I just took it. Hold on just a second. Get back in there.
Okay. Yale, huh?
Hey, here we are, Yale. Woo, boy.
Now, for whoever hands this cake
Paris.
winds up in, let me explain something. We'll start with the the second lady. Okay, this is Stella Risavy.
Stella Risavy.
And then skip a man, and the next man is her husband, John Risavy.
Yeah.
Now, the man in the middle is Art Risavy,
Yeah.
their son, one of their sons. They have another son, John Risavy. Now, the girl by Grandma Risavy is Anne Risavy, and that's her grandmother,
Anne Marie.
Anne Marie Risavy. And the boy on the end is Artie Risavy, who is also their grandson. And both Anne and Artie are the son and are the daughter and son of the center man, Art Risavy, and Carolyn Greer Risavy.
What's she trying to do? That talking machine?
Okay, now explain. Here comes Carolyn Greer
Talking
Risavy.
machine her.
Are
Get over here.
you
Get over
filming?
here.
Is it on?
Yeah. This is.
Do I have to touch? I don't have to touch anything, do I?
This is Carolyn Greer Risavy, wife of Arthur Risavy, and mother of Anne Marie and Artie Risavy.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
And
Daughter-in-law of Stella and John Risavy.
Yeah.
And this is
My dad wants some
Thanksgiving
pie.
1987.
Some
And
pie.
this is our pumpkin pies, which we're going to eat,
Shut up,
and
Ann.
our turkey and potatoes and dressing and our cranberry sauce, and my
My
pie.
grandma,
Must
my
have
grandpa.
These are
Yeah,
grandma's
yeah,
pies.
yeah, yeah.
Lord.
They're delicious, but they're
It's the carpet,
half of them got lost in the oven.
She,
ceiling.
So whoever watches this film later on, I hope you enjoy it very much. I hope you enjoy it as much as we're going to enjoy this day.
This is my first time home from college.
Anne Marie is 18 and she
Mine
goes
is
to
Artie
Simmons
Risavy.
College in Boston, Massachusetts.
5'9".
And my
Artie-
brother's the biggest
Blue
geek in
eyes.
the whole wide world.
Blonde
Artie
hair,
Risavy is
eligible
taking the
to all
pictures.
those ladies in Boston.
Is it win?
No, Artie
I'm hot,
Risavy who's taking
hot
the
as shit.
pictures is a very fine young man and
You
he
got
goes to
that, I'm
Belleville
fine,
East
fine.
High School.
And he closes himself in his room and he's a big nerd and he copies.
cool.
He is not, he's a
All the chicks want
fantastic
me.
young man.
I'm hot.
And I can
I'm
beat him
hot,
arm
miss.
wrestling.
I'm good looking. Are the girls in Boston gonna see this?
Yeah?
They are, isn't it?
Whatever my brother's saying on that recorder, disregard every word of it because he's a dork. Get a picture of Artie and Jet. Do you hear the remarks he's saying?
Tell me something, how'd you know we were coming? You were out there.
Artie,
I heard
I
you.
hope you didn't say
Oh, you heard it?
anything. Because you never can
No, I-
tell.
I
Your
said-
grandchildren might be seeing
I
this.
said nice.
later
Just
on.
stay on there, that sign.
Okay. Now then, look here.
Okay.
This is my daughter Ann and this is my son Artie. And we love them very much.
That's my
University.
He is a little silly.
This is my father, Artie, and my sister,
What's that word
Carolyn.
on there?
Well, this is my mom.
And I'll take a picture of you and Ann, then
I'm talking about my feet. What do you
I'll
want?
let Arthur take a picture of it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I missed peanut butter.
Get it set there.
What, Ann?
I missed the peanut butter.
Yeah,
You're
go
going to put
on.
the sugar up for me, please?
Y'all leave my coat on too?
Why are you so anxious to take your coat off?
No.
You might be hot.
Come here. Are you hot?
No.
Will
Oh,
you,
wait till
will you take
Oh,
a
boy.
picture? Will you take this picture of me and
All right, now what do I press? This right here?
Yeah. A little button.
Now. Two of them, double header over there.
All right, now smile on three. 1 and 2 and 3.
Building more stately mansions, O my soul, leave thy low vaulted past. Let each new temple nobler than the last, thrust thee from heaven with a dome more vast, till thou at length art free, leaving thine outgrown shell by life's submerged sea.
Straight from the mouth of Stella Risavy. Remember 25th.
And
This is a card that my friend sent around.
Yeah, put that on a pie and put them in the ice box so they still up there.
Read it the inside. It's some poem that she found in a book.
Do you want
When
me
the first,
do you want
when
to
the
take your
frost
Hey.
is on the pumpkin.
Where's your books at?
When the frost is on the pumpkin and the bulge in the shock, and you hear the kayak and gobble, the strutting turkey cock, and the clucking of the guineas and the clucking of the hens, and the roosters hallelujah as he tiptoes on the fence. Oh, it's then the times a feller is a fallen feeling at his best, with the rising sun to greet him from a night of peaceful rest. As he leaves the house bareheaded and goes out to feed the stock, when the frost is on the pumpkin and the fodder's in the stock, there's something kind of hearty-like about the atmosphere when the heat of summer's over and the cool fall is here. Of course, we miss the flowers and the blossoms on the trees and the mumble of the hummingbirds and the buzz of the bees. But the air so appetizing and the landscape through the haze of a crisp and sunny morning of the early autumn days is a picture that no painter has the color to mark when the frost is on the pumpkin and the bulge in the shock. Henry Fethergill Shortney.
Did you write that
Hope
on?
you have a wonderful holiday. Enjoy. Love.
Lori, we enjoyed your card so much.
This is on Golden Blake.
Oh.
I think I'll come on, Stella. You gotta go out there and find out. What, you want the cowboy downstairs too?
No, you just put it
You have
away
these
for me.
ones by the
Where?
sign there.
And just hide it in, you know how to hide it.
Well, I can't hold a book everything
Oh,
else.
excuse me, Sullivan.
Here, I'll stay here, we put it in there. Pull it back.
What are you doing?
Trying to get this camera back in the case.
Hey, wait a minute. You pulled it out of there.
Lights on.
Now,
You got the batteries off?
Oh my gosh, I'll do you.
you got it. It's on.
They were,
Then you told me.
they were on it.
Yeah.
We had no batteries. Now I'm giving here.
I know.
Heating has been poorly around here since I started working.
Did you get the mail yesterday?
No, we didn't.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Now help me down the basement. Now this is the only time I get to practice on the piano when I come here. So I'm going in the basement to practice.
Artie's got little things in the keys, don't take them off.
Oh, I never do. No, I don't bother him because I know what he does. He's trying to memorize the keys.
Now be careful of that last step.
Okay,
Take it on.
I'll be just sure.
You need help? I'll be right back. I love the new lock you got on the door.
Where? Oh, it's Grandpa Greer put that up.
This is the kind of plant I have in my room.
Yeah?
It's growing really big.
Isn't that pretty? Oh, I didn't know you got a philodendron. Do you put that?
It's my TV.
Hey, plus guys follow me around. And I say, old man. I need to pull him back to me.
That guy, Dad, played 2 years of pro football.
Huh?
That guy was, he's from Nicaragua. Their running back is from Nicaragua. He's only been
Who is he?
for 2 years. Never played ball in his life.
Who is he?
Okanoka or something.
That's a nervous job, playing when somebody's watching you.
Okay.
Amen. How does that work, Art?
Well,
Pretty heavy in it.
you turn it on, and it takes the picture.
That's pretty heavy in it.
No. Couple pounds.
What do you call this thing here?
Camcorder.
That's running. It's running now, isn't it?
Yeah.
What do you say you call that?
A camcorder.
A camcorder. Camera recorder. If it says movie. There was some coach that he got fired off.
Ohio State.
You don't like the idea that he got fired for it. Boy, they say he was a good coach.
Oh, it is.
What did he get fired for?
Lost a couple games.
You know, I'd say he's gonna sue now.
Oh, really?
He thought that he got a raw deal on it. I saw a picture in the paper. They were shaking hands, some guy out.
There. Now it's recording her. See the R-E in there?
Yeah.
It says R-E-C.
Who?
Now, can you see where it says
Yeah.
R-E-C?
Yeah, R-E-C.
Now can you see the date?
Yeah.
Now can you see
Yeah, I can see that.
the recording time?
Yeah.
How does it-
R-E-C?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just R-E-C now?
Yeah, R-E-C.
Now-
When you focus, it's like you're sitting there playing. You get it right in the center of the whole thing.
Now, do you want to zoom up?
Do what?
Tell me if it's zooming up.
Yeah, oh, Jimmy, yeah. The other way was better. That's pretty clear there. Oh, that's getting closer now. Man, it's right on top of me now.
Yeah.
That's where you wanted it? Right there, that's fine right there.
Right there?
Are you going too far now? Back a little bit again.
That's fine.
R-E-C. I see the TV over there too. Just record her playing it. Yeah. Hey, when you look, you use one eye or both eyes? Just one eye.
Well, here, if you go way over here, you can that eye.
Yeah. That's my best eye there, the left one.
Yeah.
I can see the TV in there too, Art.
Okay.
Is that good or bad?
No, if you want to take the TV, you can.
Oh. That's recording her sound too, it ain't it?
Yeah.
Now,
And yours.
my voice too? Oh boy. Hey Stella, play a polka, will you? You know how to play polka? Huh? I guess you can't play polka. Go over there?
That's it. Don't hold your hand in front of there.
Right there?
You'll be taking your hand.
What do you want me to do?
Just keep it on her.
I don't want to hit the wall with it then.
I'm guiding you.
Okay.
Right. Take her.
That's it. Play a polka, will you, Stella? You know how to play a polka?
I can play that.
That's about it there. You hold your hand here, that way you hold it up.
What you see is what you get then, so if you cut off her head, she won't have no head.
Yeah, I got her up to her hips. But I can't see her face very good though. It kind of, she got it sideways. No, now I gotta go over the top of her. This way. Play a polka, will you, Stella?
I sure will.
Let's get Gunilla. Let's back her, anything? Is that you back of me?
No. I'm over here.
What is that back of me?
Deal. Lamborghini.
Atta boy. Atta boy.
Let's do some Christmas.
Yeah.
Okay, Silent Night. Let's find Silent Night. I have to look in the index. Yours.
How old is that book?
Oh, Lord. Don't ask.
Well, why'd you get it?
From Silent Night, 256. Molly Robinson.
Who is she?
She used to rent from me
How long?
about 50 years ago. Sing that one, because I don't know these verses.
Well, where's
These words are different.
Let's go to.
Silent night, peaceful night, darkness flies, all is light, shepherds hear the angels sing, Alleluia, hail the King, Christ the Savior is born, Jesus the Savior is born.
Hey, sing that song. Let me call you sweetheart. You know how to play that, Stella?
No, I haven't got the music.
You know polka and
No,
and a piano?
No, I'd have to have the music. Honey, I haven't got the music.
So, how old is that?
About 50 years.
50 years old? Was,
That was some old songs.
2540 University Street?
No, on 13th Street.
Here, I'll take this off me. It's getting heavy on me. I'm getting tired of holding
That
that.
hasn't been 50 years
Oh,
ago.
my goodness.
Poke me in my eye. Quit, Ann.
You got the TV on for your dad.
Mama, I thought we were gonna have this stuff.
I've got some white wine for dinner for all of us, and then we'll have that for a little special celebration. Just
Turn
for
it
the
off!
pieces.
Thesis time!
That's right.
Look at her coat! Hi! Look at you, spiffy woman! Look at her coat! It's awesome! Hi! Look at that sexy woman there. Maybe more like
Huh? Pardon, hon?
He said that done it. Hi, Art.
Hi, Murrell. How you doing?
Still hot.
Anna Marie.
Anna Marie.
They're hot.
Hi, Stoney.
What's happening? Oh, shit. What's happening?
Ah, how you doing, Bill?
Everything's uptight.
Hey, you got your peg pants on, man.
Yeah?
Holy cow there, Andy.
Pick up my purse now. Huh? Look at this camera.
I guess you did. Sorry, guys.
Now, let me show you how I salute the captain after I'd been out with his daughter overnight.
Yeah.
Kind of sneaky.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Is that all right, or you want me to move that thing?
Go ahead, Bill.
How come your barn door open?
Where at? Oh, I don't know. I guess the chickens are getting out.
That looks so pretty down there now.
He's not done, Bill.
Well, I know, but I'm talking about that wood. Well, this here would be nice. That'd be beautiful. That wood here is just like a mirror, just like a frame on a mirror almost. You know. Yeah, that's pretty. Like that. I'm gonna stay out a minute. Yeah. Boy, that looks so much better.
Come on in.
Okay, that green one there. He really stands out among them others, don't he?
I planted that
Pine.
when I was about 13. So that's about 35 years old.
See, boy, it's just so even all the way up.
And there's one way over there, and one way over there. There's about 10 of them way over there.
Damn, is them buds on that tree?
Yep. It got cold though, so it's going to kill them off.
Man, new buds on that tree.
That's a magnolia tree.
You see what I see?
Yeah, yeah,
You're a brand new bag.
Yeah.
Spring.
I know it. Come on in, Bill.
Oh,
I was a 60 days.
Where at?
Then he got it, she got her one, got her one, like for 30 days.
It's so warm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, well, are you glad to see your granddaughter?
Yes, I am. He seems more like home here now. I come back here. It's all.
You should have seen Mom crying last night. Hi, Grandpa! Oh, watch it. Don't squeeze him too tight.
That's all right. Oh, boy. Let's see.
You smell like cologne.
I just put some on my face.
You smell good.
Oh, damn, she looks sharp. That dang. That gut's gone. Look at her. Now she's like Grandpa.
She's
Now she's like Grandpa.
Well, not quite. But you put on some weight.
I'm 130.
Ooh.
Oh my
Pajamas
gosh.
on.
Let me see. Turn around. I love this jacket. This is my friend bought a jacket just like that.
Yeah.
That's called a bomber jacket.
You guys are the hippest grandparents in the whole world. Thank you.
They have been here since 1 o'clock. We've been waiting on you. What happened to you?
Well, we knew you would.
I'll step out to where he can say I wasn't ready.
You want to blame it on somebody?
She said, look at me, he couldn't be real safe.
Oh, she didn't get this.
I cleaned up all my papers and got all the things filled with paper. My truck.
Hello.
Get in it.
Happy Thanksgiving.
And you look so good. I see you lost.
No, I'm not letting Grandpa get me.
Let me feel you, Mom.
You know what she does, don't you? Those long boats.
They don't.
And they have to do it so many
God
seconds.
in heaven,
Isn't that great?
Damn.
So gross.
You knocked the shit out of a guy that got smart with it.
Do that one, let us see.
My God, Art, you're bigger than yours.
She beat Art almost arm
I know, I did beat
wrestling.
him today.
Hey, listen, I saw them women boxing.
Did you beat him today?
Man, on television, I saw them gals like this, do like that. My God, you did good.
Well, I whoop up on the boys.
Those guys aren't safe around you, are they?
No.
Want to take a coat off?
They say to waiter, I didn't order soup. But that's a pasta spoon. You just want to get 3 scrambles to get in before. The rest of it again with a spoon. And start twirling just like that.
Oh, Michael, this is fun. This is like learning chopsticks or something. This is great.
So that's it, dear. Use both hands. Do you know what they call a deer who uses both hands?
What?
He keeps the lights off pretty good. Then he had to
Say goodnight, Gracie.
The recipes prepared on this show are available as part of a set of 100 recipes for only $6, including shipping and handling. To order these 100 recipes, each on a 3x5 card, send $6 in check or money order to set number 400, Slightly Continental. We're cooking now.
Still in the air, but I had no idea you had a delay there on this.
I couldn't believe they left on time.
Oh yeah, we left about 10 minutes late. My stud. How do you like it?
Yeah, but they were like 100,000.
I would love to
Boston that day.
I'm cool.
Yeah, got turkey.
Good job.
Plates and everything.
I gotta go see John.
Well, they're downstairs.
I like
I
Grandpa.
was there checking Murrell's car. I do it once a week. I don't know where to see.
You should have seen me last night. Where did we go? Last night we got back here around 11. So we went out to eat maybe 11:30. And then I came home around. Well, we got home and then all my friends called me at
Right down there.
12:40. And they said, "Can we come over?" So all 5 of them came over last night and stayed till 1:30.
I figured you couldn't get in maybe around 1:30.
No, we got it around 1:30. We went out to
Did you get here?
Yeah, they all came over.
Where, over
over here?
And
Yeah.
now, brief bonus
They've
kitchen
been home
tips
a
from
couple
Greer
days.
Cooking Now.
When do you have to go back now?
Sunday night. It's on videotape.
When do you go back Sunday night?
Have you
Sunday
ever
evening.
found yourself in this predicament? You've got your meat
Hi, Dad.
and potatoes.
Hi.
Sure glad you're here.
Nothing in the refrigerator.
How you doing that, boy?
Roast tomatoes can make a wonderful vegetable, and raw tomatoes don't have to be used only for salads. There are wonderful things that can be done with it. You can simply cut them in half, and then want to put a little bit of salt and
She's a
pepper
girl,
right over
she's
the
a
top,
woman
maybe a
now,
little bit
but to
of
us she'll
garlic
always
powder,
be our
and some
little girl.
oregano, or a little bit of sweet basil,
What
and
about
maybe
you?
a little bit of Parmesan cheese right over the top.
I'm hard to hear. What are you
No,
talking about me?
we told her she'd always be our little girl.
Well, naturally.
Now-
It's a little more though.
Tomatoes, you
No,
may
but
want
she's
to take a
still
little bit
a
of
little
salt.
You gotta call the little girl.
My friend
Swiss
made me
cheese
this
or a
one.
combination.
She did?
Cheddar cheese is right over
What's
the
it
top.
made out of?
And just take them out.
Embroidery
Like
and
that.
stuff.
You may want to go just a step further.
It's our school
Again,
colors.
cutting them in
Well,
half.
that
and
for
you
you,
want to
Daddy?
begin
No, one of my
to
friends
even
made it.
scoop
What are
that
your
out,
school colors?
Scooping that center out
Royal
there
blue
and
and
finding
yellow.
a filling of some sort, as we've done here.
that-
You
what
can
kind of
scoop
material is
over and
that?
add some tomato.
What kind of bracelet?
Some peas
Yeah,
to
well,
this
what kind of
tomato. You
material
can
is
use
that?
regular
Well,
peas as well in here. Maybe some pureed
I have pictures
vegetables
to show you.
you might want to put in there.
Embroidery thread.
And just
What's
even
on here, Mother?
sprinkle
Wanna ask
with a little bit of cheese right over the top.
Now,
Yep,
what do you
that's our
think
tip
of
for
this
today?
college
We're
girl
cooking now.
after being in a big city like
What was them clams roll, man? We want some clams over here.
Does it look smaller to you?
does it look county for
Well,
driving?
it's just no. It's a country. I like it. I love.
How's your
getting
car
lemon
running?
blue.
Have I got a lemon for you? Today we're going to be talking about lemon garnishes, and you see them all the time. Sometimes we kind of take them for granted.
That's why I like
Here's our
green.
little zester. You may have seen us use this from time to
What
time
did they
by
do
making
there?
a few
What do we do?
cuts alongside the
What do we do
lemon. You
there?
could use those curls that come off
Scoot over so you
for a
can hear it.
special
Most-
coffee.
mostly.
You want to
What?
tie them
Scoot
up
over.
in little
Oh,
knots
well,
and
Did you
use
get
as a
to go to
garnish for a
theaters?
piece of
I got
lemon
this
meringue
my
pie.
back over here.
Well,
You
when
may
we
want
have
to
time, when
thinly
we go to
slice
there's
it
three
like
different
so. We'll
live
take a couple
performing arts
slices here,
theaters. We go
and
through
you may just want to
Oh,
put a little
live
cut in
performing
it.
arts.
Yeah, it's
Give
everything.
it a little bit
It's
of
really expensive.
a twist like
And
that,
then there's,
or with some
museums of
paprika.
art,
Sprinkle
museums
some on this
of
side,
science.
put a little
now?
piece of
Yeah.
cardboard there,
Outside
and
of
cover
school.
the other side,
Outside of
and a
your
little bit
school.
of
Outside-
chopped
right outside
parsley right
walking
over there,
Okay, I
and
was
there
gonna
you
ask
have a
you
nice
something. Outside of your
multicolored
school.
lemon garnish slice. You
What
might
would
want to
you
serve
hate
it
to
with a
give
piece
up
of
the most
fish.
if
You
there
can put it down like that. Another slice of lemon on the side of,
Hey,
side
Stella,
of the
what's
glass
that guy's
for
name
your
that plays the
iced
fiddle,
tea.
that little
Or
funny
you've
guy?
seen it cut in half
You don't have that much
like
green.
that, or you
No,
may even
there. What
want
would I
to
eat? Wait.
curl it
Ask
up
me
on
a
the
question
side,
again.
right over there, and let it
What?
hang over that way. Just another variety.
Yeah,
And of course,
not-
with
not
things,
counting
crown
your
cut lemons,
scoop.
you
All
see
right.
those
Would
time
you
and time
hate to
again.
get
Hey, Mr. Greer, how you doing there?
There, there's a
How you doing, old man? How you doing?
rules.
Yeah, you looking
I don't
good,
have
boy.
any
Sex life.
I
Hey,
have
hey,
rules, but
you hit some last
there-
night?
Oh, yeah.
That was before your phone.
There are
You
no
are on a diet, and you love pancakes,
In
that
other
doesn't mean
words,
you have to
you-
give up pancakes.
Well, you did look good, Mr. Ryan. That's talent, you know.
I didn't say what.
Well, whatever it is, it's a little bit of it anyhow.
And here,
Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Here's something on place. This is where you should be.
I sit over here. I sit over here. His ashtray here.
And maybe a little bit of artificial
Now, this
sugar.
is-
Everything's
this
good.
Sugar stuff.
It's not
All right.
this is
And
a
maybe 2 or 3
You
tablespoons
can always come
Oh, you
back.
get on
of
pretty
skim
good.
milk right into the blender
Yeah.
and whiz it around for a second.
But I watch this, Stella. It's bad.
Great.
Yeah. You like your women, though. Look out for you.
Oh, I like it. My mother was a
In a
woman.
matter of seconds, we have a pancake batter.
They
Or
call
a
it
I'm gonna
my
get a
cat,
or
boy.
a skillet.
Well, listen, this ain't nothing like this, you know, free meal and everything, you know,
And you don't have to cook.
don't have to cook.
Where's
Just sit
Artie?
down and eat.
Artie, you was here half an hour. You upstairs. I don't know where you went to.
Upstairs.
7 pancakes. And
We were down the
Yeah,
middle
pretty
for
good.
y'all.
My God, how you keep all them
Maybe
peaches.
some fresh berries, raspberries,
I
strawberries.
think I didn't know
Get out of
that
here,
we forgot about it for our
Pancakes. It was
names.
easy. That's our kitchen tip for today. From the kitchen of We're Cooking Now.
Hey, what's that funny guy's name that plays the film for that restaurant again?
Harvey
Our
Carmen.
recent members
No, the other
Tim-
guy.
Tim
very
Conway.
particular
He's
concern to
inside
all
Tim
of us
Conway's
at Channel
sound,
9,
just like
the way
him.
members are treated when they
Tim
call
Conway.
or write the station.
I'm gonna get
not
him.
Almost 90% of the people in our
I'm gonna give me
survey
a
felt we
pair
did a
of
good
suspenders.
job handling
Sir?
telephone calls.
I'm gonna give me a pair
One
of them
woman singled
suspenders.
out two
Oh,
of
they're
our
good. I
member
like
services
them.
representatives
I had these a long
as
time. I got
making it
two
all
pairs.
He had
worthwhile
the
when
same
calling
trouble
in.
with
Most
his
considered.
trousers being around
But
his well.
another member
Well,
wrote,
see,
woman and
I hope I still make it, won't pull it out.
See, I do that every time I sit down. I've done it for so long I can't remember.
Here, the member was
And
Ruby.
I can't stand the power of my
I
stomach.
hate it
The
too.
support members
I'm
is
gonna give me
Central
some
Channel 9.
suspenders.
That's That's why we're here.
Oh,
I
yeah.
can wear them underneath my t-shirt.
By the time you step on.
Please bring it directly to my attention, right to me, Mike Hartsville. Channel 9, 6996 Millbrook, Lewis
even wearing blue,
63130.
bright red.
Thanks to all of you who participated in the Channel 9 member survey. Thanks for belonging
Hey,
with
what,
mine.
The eruption of a volcano.
Still gaining
one of
weight,
the
ain't
most awe-inspiring sights in nature, and one that invariably
Oh, you're
causes
not
the
too
surface to
big.
flee.
You're just
Got
right.
those baggy clothes on.
But incredibly,
I sure do.
collectively want to get closer to an erupting volcano. Meet Maurice and Cotcher Grant. They travel all over the world to study and photograph volcanoes in action. See for yourself. Join the Volcano Watchers next time on Nature.
And
Sunday at 8 on Channel 9.
That's my friend's room. Mine. Look at my friend's room.
Oh, it's not true, it's not true.
I'll show you
Next
with
time on
nothing
New
on it.
Example,
Go out
tornado. What twist of nature
That's
brings
my-
on these
that's
destructive
the-
winds?
Fast food, you fast food, John.
Spinning is the key, Ira.
And we get tricked into seeing things.
Push the button.
All this and more on the next New Example.
Oh,
Sunday
here,
at 11 on Channel
And
9.
act like the teenagers. Here's in the hotel room. These are all before
Christmas
we went
comes
to
alive in the spectacular adaptation of Dickens' A Christmas Carol at the Fox Theater December 16th through 20th. And Channel 9 has a special offer for you. Exclusive orchestra, mezzanine, and first balcony seating on Saturday, December 19th. The Channel 9 Family Matinee. This live musical play is brimming with elegant costumes, special effects, and Christmas carols. Make plans now to attend this wonderous holiday production.
When Mom and Dad were in Boston,
Special coupons are in your November 9 magazine or by calling Channel 9 at 725-5575.
Nova presents
This is
Adventures
all
in
around
Science
school.
Tuesday night
This is
at 8.
Boston. This is all
Channel
Boston.
9's broadcast of
This is
Sesame
Victoria.
Street is presented by the Ross
You know the
and
TV
Fury
show
Trust
Cheers?
Fund,
See, who's this guy in the middle of this?
Missouri.
It's Dad.
Oh, that's him?
Yeah. This is the bar Cheers. But you can't see it though. This is the bar. It's in Boston. They call it the bar of Cheers. But Cheers.
Is this Stella shop you go to?
No, it's just in Boston. It's a historical site.
Have you been to Harvard Square yet?
Yeah, I always go to Harvard Square.
I've been there many times. You ever been to Scully Square? No,
No,
that's
but I always go to Harvard Square.
that's a red light district. Don't ask me how I know, 'cause I really never participated in their memorial activity.
They have those?
Here, give me him over here.
Here's the John F. Kennedy Memorial. Here, get them from him.
What, they have them all over?
John F. Kennedy Memorial.
Oh, did you see him, Murrell?
This is Faneuil Hall.
Oh.
This is the front of my home where I live.
In front of
That's the hall.
That's the hall. This is the front of it.
I guess.
Is that where you live?
No, that's Faneuil Hall.
This is where she lives.
That's what hall?
Faneuil Hall.
What would
It's
this taking out?
historical. That's the Boston Gardens where the Celtics basketball team plays.
In Boston?
Hey, would you like to see where a million and 10, I guess, not a million, Hamilton, but it housed more sailors than any building in Boston or anywhere else. It's a Fargo.
Oh, yeah, I know that.
Fargo building. That's where I was.
Fargo?
They put us there with thousands upon top of thousands of others. It's first class living, man. It's first class living
I have
in
seen
the
that.
service. The Fargo building. And that's where you stay waiting your ship to head out for parts beyond. And instead of staying there for 21 days like I was supposed to, they took a gunner's mate, a ship fitter, and what have you. 21 of us they took out of that group and put us in the barracks out at Hingham Shipyard. Barracks. And we 21 of us stayed out there. Had to be a man out of every, let's say, department.
But you stayed there for a long
Oh,
time.
they gotta go to
We was there 45 days.
Grandpa.
But we stayed 21 days out at Shipyard.
That's the John F. Kennedy Memorial.
If you get a chance, I don't know what the Fargo building looks like now.
I switched sides. That's the former
But it was a
Kennedy.
pretty
That's the
building.
light. That's the heart you made me.
Oh,
You
these,
each have someplace to put
now this is where she stayed. in the
That's
home
my
here.
home.
That's her home.
This looks like a spider
this
web,
is
man.
Let
inside.
me see. Okay, do you know what that TV show Cheers?
Yeah.
That's the bar.
This is the inside.
That's the
I
ball.
always take it through a window. You can't see it.
Looks
That's
like a
where
big
they,
bunch of spider web.
They picked that
This your college over here?
No, that's a shopping place.
Oh, there you are.
I don't know how far the Fargo building would be, but it's not far from Hingham Shipyard. I mean, it's not far from.
I've heard of Hingham Shipyard. That's my
That's
friend
right,
Tina
pretty
Simmons.
close.
That's
to
your
you.
room?
Yep.
Oh, boy.
That's where we took our ship.
What's her name?
That's where they built it. They built the ship there. We watched it being built.
That's the front of where I live.
Funny, in front of the
That's
school.
where I live.
Being finished,
My
I'll
dorm.
put it that way. They didn't build it no
That's
21
my
days.
closet. My dresser. You have
This is under the
We
dorm.
have a lot of, these are my three friends in her room.